children. Today I will teach English subject. Okay, this is the English Bal Bharati textbook of Standard 4. Okay, first of all, I will start the first unit. Before, I want to ask some question. This is second page of English textbook. Okay, Standard 4. This book is very colorful or interesting. Okay, before starting the new unit, tell me how many seasons are there. I think all of you know there are four types of seasons. Main are three types. Okay, summer, winter, or rainy season. Okay, these are the seasons: spring season, summer season, monsoon, autumn, or winter. And once again, tell me now which season is going on. Yeah, this is current season is rainy season. Another name of rainy season is monsoon season. In the rainy season, we use umbrella, raincoat, and enjoy. Everyone enjoy in the rainy season, and I think favorite season of everyone is rainy season, because in the rainy season everyone enjoy. Okay, yesterday night heavy rainfall. Okay, today so we have in an hour a poem in the English textbook, Rain in the Night. Okay, Rain in the Night, poet name Rain in the Night. This is a poem written by the poet name is Amelia Jasper Bird. Okay, this is our new poem, first unit or first poem, Rain in the Night. First we will recite the poem. Okay, rain in the night, raining all the night, raining all night along, raining all night along, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queen at court. But the palaces all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the palaces' faces. Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, I hope all are enjoy in this poem. Okay, first of all, I am tell the I am explain this poem shortly. In the first stanza, poet saying that raining all night. Okay, rain, it has been raining throughout night. Okay, or and rain is something soft. Yes, you also know that children, when it's rain, it makes a special sound. Okay, when the rain is heavy, yeah, it will be a loud sound, and when it raining low or slowly, then you say slowly. Okay, understood first stanza. Similarly, in the second stanza, when it is raining to second stanza, there will be river in the gutter. Okay, and lake along the street. The meaning of this line: when it is raining, the raining gutter become like a river, and street means road. Okay, becomes like a lake, is present and spreading very fast. Okay, it makes a lazy kitty. Everyone know what is mean by kitty. Kitty means the baby of cat. Okay, or cat is very lazy. Okay, or into a cat is very lazy into a water where on the street. Okay, understood. In the third stanza, the roses will wear a diamonds. Okay, further our third stanza is when the meaning of third stanza: when it rain, you see the water droplet occupy on the plants and flowers look like diamonds. Poet is saying the roses water droplets on the plant and flowers look like a diamond. So the poet is saying The roses will wear diamond, look like a king and queen court. And the panasses all get muddy. What is panasses? What is panasses, children? You know, panasses is a small flower or plants also, a long straight. They all are get muddy because they are very short. Okay. In the last stanza, poet say that I will see my boat. I will see my boat tomorrow. Paper boat make in the rainy season, and we play with ride. Some way this girl is willing to play. Before that, she is telling that before I make a boat and sell it, in I and I like to wash the muddy panasses. Okay, I hope all are understood this poem. Okay, after this poem, uh, we solve the exercise. Just a minute. First question of this poem: how long has it been raining? Answer is it has been raining all the night. Rain कैसी थी? All the night थी. Second question: what effect will have on the following? This picture is blur. Please try to understand. Okay. The rain first effect on the following. Rain का क्या effect हुआ? Kitty पर. Okay. Effect on the following kitty. The rain will make the lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Okay. Answer is the rain will make the lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Roses. The roses will wear diamonds like a king and queen at court. Panasses, all the panasses will get muddy because they are so short. Last question is, what is the child planning to do the next day? The child is planning to sail the boat in the wonderful new places the next day. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe.